Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete Windows Update files. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, go to Start menu and right-click on the Windows Start icon and click on File Explorer. From there, head over to this PC and select the drive where Windows is installed. In most cases, this will be the C drive, so go ahead and click on it. Once inside the drive, open the Windows folder, scroll down, and then click on Software Distribution. Next, open the Download folder inside Software Distribution. Here you can safely select and delete all of the files inside this folder. After deleting them, go back to your desktop, right-click on the Recycle bin, and click Empty Recycle Bin. When prompted, click Yes, and once that's done, the files will be completely removed. And that's it. So that's basically how you can delete Windows Update files. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.